In this video, I will explain you what is AI. So let's start this video. AI full form is artificial intelligence. Its job is to match or exceed human capabilities. The biggest example of it will be ChatGPT. ChatGPT is built to match human capabilities and in some case to exceed it. The long-term goal is of ChatGPT is to exceed human capability. So what does it mean? So let's look at one example, even two examples. So I if so for example, I tell you to write a essay on Elon Musk. You will be able to do it. Most people will be able to do it. So if I tell it ChatGPT the same to write a essay on Elon Musk, it will be also able to do it. So it is matching human capabilities. It is able to do things that human are able to do. And in many cases, it will write better essays than human. So it is able to do things only human can do, but it is able to do it better than humans. Let's look at another example. If I say you to draw a Ghibli style image of me, you will not able to do it. Only few artists in the world can do that. So it is exceeding most people in that. So that is what artificial intelligence is. It is doing things that only human can do, are doing even better than it. For example, one more example, let's look at it. For example, a human and robot. That is also a form of artificial intelligence. So for example, it works in factory. So human can also work in factory, but it is better than human. It is more efficient because it can work 24 hours there and it can do work all the time and it will do it faster, cheaper. So that is what artificial intelligence is and benefit of it. If you want more exclusive videos, you should click on the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community that is created for people who love AI, machine learning, and robotics. By joining, you will get exclusive videos there and you can also request the videos you want. By doing so, you will be supporting this channel and also creating a community of people who love these things.